Hey Gorge. Hey Boo Bear. Hey Booby. Cutie Patootie. Is that just a southern thing? Cutie Patootie. Hey gorgeous, how are you today? I hope you are doing fabulously, because let me tell you sister, you look fabulous. You do. Forget me. Look at you. Look at you. Welcome to my channel. My name is HollyLynora, and today's video we are doing a fall glam look. You know, we've got all the YouTube videos where it's like look like your Starbucks drink or whatever. So like you order a pumpkin spice latte and then you make an eye look that looks like the colors of a pumpkin spice latte, which is really cute. I'm not hating on it, but you know what? We are gonna skip looking like a coffee and we're gonna look like the queens that we are. Okay. Just so you know, I don't think this look is insanely hard by any means, but it does take, you know, it's more than 2 shadows. Just so you're prepared. It is simple though. Anybody can do it. Just follow along. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe. Join my beauty YouTube family. All things happy, all things positive, and let's get into the video. Okay, let's get right into this. We're going to start with a little bit of eyeshadow primer. We're definitely going to do everything we can to help hold on to our eyeshadow, especially since we're dealing with loose glitter in this look. So one of my trustees, one of my go-tos, holy grails, MAC Painterly Paint Pot. This is the Laying Low Pro Longwear Paint Pot. It is super emollient. You don't have to work it. I mean, you just stick your finger in there and you've picked up product. It's super smooth and it goes on easy. I just use my finger and tap it right in. And I'm definitely gonna go in and cover the entire lid as well as some of the brow bone. Like pretty much go right up under the brow. I'm just pressing it in. Next, let's add a little bit of depth and dimension to our eyeballs. We're gonna go in with the Urban Decay E201. This is my holy grail of a crease brush. I have had this for years, like this exact one for years. I love this brush. I'm gonna go in with this nude color right here. This is the Natasha Denona Mini Star Palette. This nude is beautiful, blends beautifully. A less expensive alternative is the Wet n Wild mini palettes like this. They're very similar, or you can go in with the That's Taupe palette from ColourPop. See, these colors are nude and they're beautiful as well. So lots of alternatives. Crease brush, I'm gonna go in with this nude and definitely gonna do a lot of blending in the crease as well as above the crease. Pretty much bringing it right up to the bottom of the brow. And this is actually about the same color as the eyeshadow primer, but that's okay. We're gonna bring it in close to the sides of the nose. And I'm bringing it up this high, not only because I have hooded eyes, but because the lashes, depending on how glam and big you go, they tend to cover up the work that you have done. So I like to pull it up really high. Next, I'm gonna stick with that same color and we're gonna go in with a Morphe M431. This is a smudge brush and I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out my lower lash line. I'm gonna bring it all the way into the inner corner. And I'm always sure to connect my top lid into that crease to my lower lash line. It looks funky now and it might even make you look, I don't want to use the word sickly, but it can make you look more tired when you do that on your lower lash line depending on the color you use. But we're going to go in with a deeper, darker brown and we're not going to look sick, I promise. And we're going to make sure that we pull this. I mean, you can just sit here and do this for like 2 minutes straight. And that's what's going to give us this angle and this very sharp, sultry look. It looks funky now, but girl, just hang on. We're getting there. And that's partly why we're using a nude, so it looks more like a shadow and like it's more your face instead of an eyeshadow that is creating the look. We're making our eyes, we're changing the shape of our eyes as opposed to putting eyeshadow color on. Does that make sense? Kind of. You'll see. Now we are gonna go in with this deeper, darker, beautiful chocolate brown. And I'm gonna take, this is from can't talk today, but I can't talk most days, so I don't know why I continue to explain that to you guys. This is Bling Brushes, the E3. And I'm just gonna dip it right into this chocolate color, give it a good tap. And I'm gonna put it in my crease on the outer corner. What I'm gonna do is pack it, place the pigment, place the color there, and then blend it. Small circular motions in the crease. And normally if I don't have a camera on me, I'm telling you, this has helped me so much. If you have hooded eyes, please listen up. If you look kind of down, and I mean kind of look, I would suggest looking down at your legs or down at the chair you're sitting in or whatever you're sitting in. Look down. Have your brush where you need it, look down. And then just do your circular motions. I know it sounds funky, but I think it's the way that your skin sits when you do this. Because remember, we have like extra skin under those hoods. It has changed the blending game like no other. It's unreal how that works. It's crazy. You could stop here if you wanted, or you could add a little more depth with some more brown, which is what I'm gonna do. For the sake of the video, I'm actually gonna pack it in this corner and blend it again, looking down, and I'm gonna drag it out a little bit to go over, not all the way out, but just enough to go over that nude line that we drew out here, just to make that transition a little bit smoother. So this is what we have so far. The blend of these shadows is amazing. Amazing. I'm gonna go back in with the M431 from Morphe the smudge brush, and I'm going to go in this brown and connect the corner. And I'm not gonna go all the way in. I'm not gonna bring it all the way in. I'm just gonna go halfway through to the center of the eye, making sure to get in this little pocket right here where skin kind of bunches up just a hair, and then pull it out. It's all coming along, people. It's all coming along. The process of makeup sucks. It's annoying, we look funny, but once it's all together, boy, I feel like a woman. I am going to go ahead and we're gonna stick with the browns here. So I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Liner. This is drugstore. Very, very good purchase. I use it all the time for sharp looks, or since it's a gel liner, you can smudge it out. Love this. And then I'm also gonna go in with the tattoo liner from KVD. This is in the shade Mad Max Brown. So let's go in with the gel liner first and just line the lower lash line like so. And then we're gonna go in with the tattoo liner, and that's where we're gonna create the point on the inner corner. In fact, I might accentuate this side a little more, but let's see. You guys, this pen is so pigmented and so precise. It is unreal. Okay, so this is what we have so far. If you can see that blend, the nude into that darker brown is just beautiful. But let's keep it moving. Let's get to the fun part. Let's get to the glitter, sister. Hence why I don't have my face done already. Normally I would. If you've been watching me, you already know. But we are going to go in with this from Lit, or LIT. This is their Daily Wear Glitter Base. This stuff is so beginner friendly and it works. It is such a good adhesive. Hold your glitter all day and you get a really, really good amount. I will link it down below, as well as all the other products, of course. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to, of course, take off the lid. And I'm also going to take off the lid for the glitter that I'm using. This is from MAC. NYX has really, really good loose glitter as well, so you don't have to spend MAC money on the product. You can always go to the drugstore and find, I've got it somewhere, but it's by the brand NYX. I'll link that too. This is in the shade Bronze, and it is straight loose glitter. So like, the thing that is dangerous about this product is it doesn't have a stopper once you, well, it kind of does. It comes with this thing to place on the top. But once you've removed it, I mean, you've just got loose glitter. So that scares the bejesus out of me. If you were to drop it, you may as well change the theme in your room to glitter theme because you're not getting rid of it, okay? So that makes me really nervous. I'm gonna put this down. So both my glitter adhesive and my loose glitter, they're open, they're on my vanity. I'm gonna take a very, very small, flat detailing brush. This is from Urban Decay, and this is their F111, and I'm just gonna dip it. It's already a little wet from me doing this, this side right here. I'm just gonna dip it right in the product, swipe the edges to get rid of any excess liquid. And now I'm gonna take the loose glitter and just kind of like brush it in there, like dip it, but lightly dip it in there. You can see how much it picks up. I mean, it's just, look at that. Look at the glitter. It is so beautiful. So it picks up a ton. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pat your brush where you want the glitter. Once again, going above the crease. And I'm gonna bring it out just with the one dip. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it out to the center of my eyelid. Definitely packing it on more heavily in the inner corner, and then just kind of pulling glitter out to the lid. Look how pretty that is. Okay, as soon as you are finished pressing on that glitter, please, for crying out loud, put your lid back on your glitter and put your lid back on your adhesive. Okay, next I'm gonna go in. This is Big Mood from e.l.f. This is not my favorite mascara, but I have dubbed it the, before I put on my falsies, I'm gonna put on this mascara. So I'm gonna go in with this, top and bottom row. And next I'm gonna go in with these lashes. These are from Lily Lashes, and they are in the shade. And they are called LA. I did want to mention that I'm not gonna go in and use my lash adhesive, my liner. You know I love that liner, but since I'm using all this loose glitter, I don't want to mix the glitter pigments in with my liner pen. It might mess it up. I'm not sure. I don't want to take that risk. But I am going to go in with HollyLynora. This is an 18-hour lash glue, and it is in the color black. Okay, our lashes are on. I am going to finish the rest of my face. And you just hang tight, sister. I'll be right back. Okay, cutie patootie. Here we are. The look is finished. I just really went with kind of softer colors. I like the lip is that taupey fall color, but I really, of course, wanted to accentuate the eyes. I hope you like it. I hope you love it. Let me know what you think down below. If you recreate this look, girl, honey, boo-boo, tag your girl. I love seeing what you guys have done. I love talking with y'all, chatting with y'all, blah, blah, blah. Tag me, shoot me a DM, sister, send me that picture. I want to know. Thank you so much for watching. As always, you guys are my rock stars. Look at these eyes. I love them. I love the glitter. I love it, love it, love it. You guys are my rock stars. If you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe and join my beauty YouTube family. All things happy, all things positive, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.